Hello everybody, how you doing? This is a quick overview of Module 2, week number 4, and specifically we're going to talk about the FOCUS2 assignment. And as you know, FOCUS2 can be found over here in Academic and Counseling, excuse me, and you go into FOCUS2, and within the FOCUS2, this is our third installment of this, and we scroll on down. What we are looking for is the skills assessment, which is this guy right here. And so if we go ahead and I'll start this over, it'll ask you to choose your top 3 skills, things you really like. I am pretty good at speaking. I'm pretty darn good at teaching as well, but also I've managed money before. What else can we do here? Oh, gosh darn it. I'm going to scroll in here. I'll do one more. How about decision making? How's that for ironic, right? I can't make a decision. I'm going to do decision making. And with that, when you click continue, it'll give you, like you've done before, occupations that match those top 3 skills. And I'm going to go ahead and fire this up and do this via salary and update. And it'll give me those top salaried professions for the 3 that I've chosen. Oh, look at that. I can be a chief executive, right on. And so to that end, what I'm looking for you to do is now you go in and choose one of these. And in your assignment, oh shoot, I'll go ahead and be a chief executive. And I want you to review the information that's in here. Then I want you to follow along and answer the questions that have been presented to you for this assignment. Now here's the thing, some of you are kind of cutting your answers short when you're writing your answers. And this class is designed to help you figure out where things are on campus and try to figure out how to find certain areas of campus. Okay, fine. But also part of this is as a student being able to really tie yourself to what your longer term goals are and what your longer term ambitions are, because it's really easy. And here we are in week number, what is this, 10 actually in the overall semester, 11 possibly. It's really easy to kind of go through that trough of sorrow and lose track of your goals and your perspective and what you're trying to accomplish. So when you write these answers for the FOCUS2 assignment, don't just put down like yes because I think it's great or no. Be insightful, because what I'm looking for you to do is actually almost like anchor yourself to your beliefs in the bigger picture. You have to really do that when you're in college, because believe me, you're going to have a week coming up probably before Thanksgiving where you're going to go, oh my God, all my assignments are due. All my professors must be on the same page. They're all giving me assignments at the same time. How am I ever going to get this all done? And you're going to have a week that's going to be pretty crushing if you've not already had one. And it's in those moments you have to be able to go, put your head down, focus, and have a picture in the back of your mind of a longer term, big picture goal of what you're trying to accomplish here, instead of going, woe is me, I can't get it done. So please take the time to be reflective, introspective, and take a moment to really kind of just wrap yourself around, not just do a cut and paste of these things and slap them into the assignment, but really distill them and see if they are a fit. I'm going to jump over to the learning modules here in Blackboard now. I did have a request come in, and I get this in a virtual environment. So I'm in the learning modules, which is over here on the pull-out menu on the left. And we've gone through module 1, we're now in module 2. The request was if I could go ahead and put the dates next to each week as a way to help you kind of stay organized. And oh my God, that's like the easiest thing I'll do all day. So I did that for module 2, and I'm also going to do that for module 3 and module 4 here. This video, it's not embedded in here yet, but it will be into week number 4, and I'll have it tucked right here. And your FOCUS2 assignment and the post and response will be then in there as well. So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all staying focused on your assignments and staying focused with your coursework. Remember, one of the biggest and best things you can do is actually take a moment to reach out to your professors and just touch base with them to stay kind of engaged with the process and keep them engaged with you so they know who the heck you are. With that, guys, I'm signing off, so I gotta finish loading this all up for you for this week. Have a good one. Catch you later.